Hey guys, Richie here from Promt Parts. Today we're going to talk about a critical item that's often overlooked as part of your trailer maintenance, and that's the correct grease for your wheel bearings. While standard marine grease might seem like it gets your job done, it often fails in the demanding environment that your wheel bearings are under in the trailer. That's where Johnson Evinrude wheel bearing grease comes in. Unlike standard marine grease, this advanced aluminium complex formula is specifically designed to handle the extreme heat and pressure generated by the spinning trailer bearings. Standard marine grease melts away under high temperatures, leaving your bearings unprotected. This leads to friction, overheating, and eventually costly repairs. But Johnson Evinrude grease holds strong, keeping your bearings protected no matter the conditions. It's not just about heat resistance. This grease offers excellent water resistance, creating a durable barrier that repels water washout and protects your bearings. Even in salty, corrosive environments, or when your trailer sits at idle for extended periods, your bearings stay safe. Whether you're running a workshop or a DIY on the weekend, we've got the right size for you. A 450 gram tub for getting stuck into with your hands, a 14 ounce cartridge for your grease gun, perfect for bearing buddies and precise applications, and a 226mm toolbox friendly size squeezy tube. Don't risk your bearings or your safety. Trust Johnson Evinrude wheel bearing grease, the grease that's built for the job. Head to promptparts.co.nz and order yours today.